Every morning, millions rely on this little genius, the coffee machine. But have you ever wondered how it actually works? First, cold water sits in a reservoir. When you hit the start button, the machine heats it up with a small boiler or heating coil. As the water warms, it builds pressure and gets pushed through a tiny tube. Now comes the magic. That hot pressurized water flows through ground coffee beans packed in the filter. This extracts all the flavors, oils, and that kick of caffeine we all crave. Finally, the brewed liquid drips down into your mug, turning water and beans into the world's most loved morning fuel. In short, your coffee machine is basically a mini science lab on your kitchen counter.